Ooh, ooh, that's a good one. Oh, I think that's a red. What's up, Dirty Bay? What's up, anglers? Charles Cleburne here with Dirty Bay Fishing. I am out at East Bay this morning. Supposedly this time of year the north shoreline gets good, full of reds, and I've already been chasing birds out here, and I already see some birds over there circling and looking. I'm about to head for them, so it's gonna be the same thing, man. I got my tandem rig, I got my popping cork, and I got my hard plastics. If the wind dies down, I may throw some top waters like I like to do, man. So let's see, we're gonna look for points, we're gonna look for currents, and we're gonna look for birds, man. Today's gonna be exploring, checking out spots we hadn't been to before. Probably gotta put a bunch of miles on the kayak, but that's the fun of this adventures, man, is exploring and finding and coming back and getting them again. All right, guys, I hope to see all you guys on the water. Tight lines and God bless. Chasing them birds, chasing them birds, chasing all them birds. They're feeding on something, and we're gonna go find out what it is. They got birds from where I'm at all the way down to that point of that island, just solid birds working. And there's some birds working back over here. I mean, this whole area is full of something, and we're about to go find out what it is. Oh, I set that time. Whoa! Thought he got off, but he was still on there. That fish. Why I couldn't have found this guy in the tournament. Yep. There he is. There he is. popping. That's a keeper there. Yep. Nah, too close. Speckled trout. I'm gonna go chase down that other one here in a second. Get nothing but baby trout. One of these trout, about 13 inches. So I'm gonna go chase down this other one. All right, anglers, I'm calling it a day early, man. The wind has picked up significantly. I chased birds into the middle of the bay, and now I'm having to fight all these waves to get back in, but it is what it is, man. Had a good day, caught some good redfish and a lot of speckled trout. Only a few keepers, but it's still fun. It's still fun chasing them birds around, getting exercise, and pulling in fish after fish, man. That's always fun. So what I normally do when I'm chasing these birds, I've always used my tandem rig, and I always put a light color and a dark color, see what they're doing. Right now they're chasing shrimp, so a shrimp looking lure. I've got my tandem rig and I've got my popping cork. And if they're not, what I like to do with the tandem rig is I like to try to sink through the small ones and bounce it off the bottom and see if there's any big ones. And that paid off today, and I got a good redfish. And if they're not hitting that very well, I'll throw that popping cork out there, and I've got like a gulp mantis shrimp, or even what I was using today is one of those chicken boys, So what I used today with the popping cork is this chicken boy. Looked just like a little shrimp, man. Worked well, got several hits. And you know, usually the bigger lures like that, you pick up the bigger fish, but every fish I picked up was right on the dot at 15, every trout. Right on the dot at 15 or under, you know, and I didn't feel like dragging a stringer with me today, so I threw all the 15s back. Anyway, appreciate y'all watching my videos like always, man. Hit that subscribe button, like it, man, and hit that bell for alerts. And then when you get on Facebook, check out our page, Dirty Bay Anglers. You can get me there, send me a message, ask me any question about fishing, ask me any question about the Bible verses I put out, anything, man. Check out our Instagram page, Dirty Bay Fishing, and then go check out my personal Instagram page, Charles Cleburne Fishing. I post all my edited pictures and some small video clips and other cool stuff on there, man. So check all that out, follow them, like them, and subscribe, guys. See you on the next one. Hope to see you guys on the water. Tight lines and God bless, guys.